Welcome to me voicing every single character. My name is Leah, and I'm here to show you the most stupid, unrealistic, very uncanny phenomenon that you have ever laid your eyes. Isn't that right, Bubble?
That's right, Kane. I can't wait to see what you've got cooking up to today.
Well, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into the show.
Gingle and Zooble and King or two. Rags and Jackson is Cosmo. Day after day after day after day after day we fly as the moon and the sun every time. Where am I?
Okay, is this one of your NPCs or is this a new sucker? As if it's a new character, we're gonna have to redo this whole theme song. I'm not doing that again. My! It appears a new human has entered this realm.
How do I take this stupid headset off?
Just keep grabbing at it. That worked for all of us. What's going on? I put on some weird headset and now I'm here. Who are you people? Why can't I take it out? Where am I? Well, you should shut up because everything's gonna be just okay. We've all been through this. You just need to get your head to... What the is going on? What? No, my dear. We can't have any of that foul language around here. The amazing little circus is a place to be enjoyed by all ages. You, my friend, have stumbled into an incredible world of wonders where anything can happen. Except for swearing. Oh my god. Well, how do I, leave? Well, don't freak out about it or anything, but we don't exactly... You can't! What? Shut up, Jax. But yeah, he's right. Welcome to your new home. And your new body. Home? What do you mean? Guys, don't be mean. We've been stuck here for years. Old King over there is supposed to be the longest. Huh? Did someone say anything about an ink collection? That's why he's crazy. Oh, okay, now I get it. This is a dream, and I should just play along until I wake up, right? Whatever you say, kid. They broke my comedy mask. So, Kane, we having a new adventure for the newbie or what? I'd like to give our brand new member a tour of the circus grounds first. Off we go! Here we have the tent. This is where your living quarters are, as well as all sorts of other activities. These activities may include ball pits, mini golf, and more. And here we have the ground. Drown yourself in a digital lake or engage in rivalry at the different carnival. Night, day, it's all okay. The choice is yours, a cosmic buffet. Is that all there is? Of course not. This is the void. We don't venture out into the void. Not even I know what's out there. We stay right here, where I can keep my hundreds of all-seeing eyes on you. Hey, Kane, I love you. Let's get out of here before the moon gets frisky. Wait, what's that? Whoa, clean up on aisle U.
I'm on it, boss. Ow.
Why are you like this? Wait. Was that an exit door I saw out there? Is that a way to leave? What exit? If there was a way to leave, I'm pretty sure we would all left by now. Yeah, what are you talking about? Yeah, I assure you there is no magical exit door. You're probably just experiencing digital hallucination.